then, well, it's another one. All right, just go ahead and stack them in the back. There
you go.
And it's a
Goddamn, put my feet up in this lamb. Yeah. One day I'ma have guala Uncle Sam. Yeah. Lucky day I'm cashing checks, I'm getting paid. Yeah. Do anything to put some food up on my plate.
YouTube, listen, what's good? It's your boy B Bullet RC back with yet another. As always, make sure you drop a like on this vid, sub if you haven't already, and finesse the bell as well. Listen, I know you like the shot, all right? Shot kind of crazy. Listen, we testing out some new stuff today, but I know we're a little far, so just give me 1 second. Okay. That's better. And before we really even get started today, listen, I need to go ahead, let me pop the trunk real quick because it's a few things we need to talk about. This Saturday, these joints are restocking. Yes, the long-awaited restock of the sample paratrooper pants. These joints run true to size. In my opinion, if you want that nice loose fit, intended fit, go with your true size. If you want a more slim fit, go down a size. But y'all can see these joints are fully adjustable with the bungee below the knee, as well as the zipper down the bottom. So whether you're wearing a more bulky shoe or a more narrow shoe like these Stussy Spiritans y'all see me rocking right here, all you gotta do is adjust that zipper and listen, you good to go. And I guess as we here, listen, quick fit check, okay, CPFM up top, cream tee, sample paratroopers, and like I said, them Stussy Spiritans with that Tampa Bay fitted bland. Links, as always, will be in the description. Ask anybody that owns these pants, they will tell you, listen, cop up while you can, all right? Your new favorite cargos right here. In addition to the new pickups, the early heat, all that good stuff, I am gonna be letting go of these. Now, I have these with me because I might use them for some trade bait. Now, of course, when y'all seen that all black box, y'all know what was going on. We do have a pair of black Cat 4s, so I am gonna be letting these bad boys go. Now, will I sell them or trade them at any of the spots today? We gonna see, and if I don't let them go at any of those, y'all already know, I let all my extra stuff go on Bull's Bodega. And that link is always down below. And in addition to these black Cat 4s, I also have some other stuff on the trade. Good Dale joints right here, AOPs. We got that Rusty Wasp, another one of my favorite tees right here. Another Dale Earnhardt Daytona AOP, what is this, 1998 and 1998. Super clean and crispy, never wore that one. Another Bass that makes 3 Dale Bass joints. And then of course, last but definitely not least, that we had this Dale Jarrett joint right here. Now we already spent enough time doing this intro, getting them camera angles, so let's not waste no more. We need to hop back in the whip and it's time to hit up Norfolk, okay?
SOS, shooting star, she throw me neck, yeah. She so good with this shit, I might wreck, yeah. Need my respect, yeah. Need my revenge, yeah. Goddamn, put my feet up in this lamb, yeah. One day I'ma have guala Uncle Sam, yeah.
My feeling. I got a bench truck for the start. Roberts with big business.
All right, y'all, and we are back. And like I said, y'all see the next spot. This is the Lot VA. They are now located in Norfolk, okay? And I'll try to make sure I link everybody's IG down in the description. So if you're looking for anything, you can actually peep them, see where y'all need to go, because I know something awards gonna be next year because they got canceled this year. But if you ever in the 757, we definitely got a lot of spots now. Like I was saying, this is the Lot VA behind me, and I did have a couple of these tees. So let's go ahead and take these in here, say what's good to the guys, and see if we're gonna let anything go today. All right, y'all, so right now we're actually inside of the Lot VA. Now, they did tell me that right now they're moving some stuff around, okay? Because the walls were literally just full and they had people come through and buy a whole bunch of stuff, okay? So if y'all see empty spots, trust me, it's gonna get replaced. Anyways, as y'all can see, all around here, we have a whole bunch of different stuff. And if y'all remember, they actually were at the oceanfront and now they're in Norfolk, and trust me, they got way more space. Super nice storefront. And y'all can see from the B-roll, I mean, they got anything from games, wrestling, they even got modern, you know, modern streetwear from Supreme, Brain Dead from Chinatown Market here. A few shoes as well. It's just a ton of stuff in here. If you're ever in the 757, definitely hit them up. Now, I wanna look around because I already dropped off a couple of those tees. They're gonna probably look at them them, see if they want anything. Let me see if there's anything that maybe I would trade for in here, okay? So give me a second. I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping, all right? All right, y'all, first tee I see right here is actually the three-peat joint, repeat, three-peat, okay, the classic starter joint. And this is a size XL. Now I do have this tee, but my joint is tattered. Mine has holes in it. The top of it's all ripped up. It's distressed. So yeah, that was one tee, and I already know that this fits oversized, so I got it in an XL too. Now the last time I was here, I actually picked up an Alpengeist tee, and then they got this old Draken Fire tee. Salutes to Busch Gardens, okay? Salutes to Williamsburg.
2,000 years later.
Maybe on this, maybe. Yeah, this oversized hoodie don't do me no favors on this thing. I mean, it's not bad. I know, look, goddamn. In the end, we're gonna let go of this one right here. It's gone. This one right here, the Dale Jarrett, that one's out of here. And of course, the Dale joint, front and back, that one's out of here. And for the first spot, we're gonna keep our triple up of Bass tees that's coming home with us. All right, y'all, well, I appreciate y'all, cause I gotta head out. I gotta head. Yeah. Appreciate you, dog. Listen, that's the first spot. The lot is done. All right, 3 tees is gone. We still got 3 more tees, and we gotta figure out what we do on these Black Hat 4s, all right?
Lucky day on cashing checks and getting paid. Do anything to put some food up on my plate.
All right, y'all, and we are back once again. We are back in Norfolk, okay? This should be actually a kind of similar spot or a familiar spot to some of y'all. We are at Exchange right now, and we do have our pack, okay? I got the Black Hat 4s in that bag, and we still got the 3-peat on that Dale Bass tee. So let's go ahead and take the stuff in here and see. Maybe we can trade some once again, but we are 3 tees lighter, so that's good. All right, y'all, so like I said, we are pulling up on the guys Exchange, because I got a couple things. Well, I got one thing in here, but then I had these 3 tees. I don't know if y'all be interested in those, but I did. It is. It's a Black Cat. If I would have just not worn these and had the label, I could have sold these today for like $880 on StockX.
Easy. But they would have went the label.
Exactly, which is why I haven't. But of course I've worn those though. I've worn these, and of course I wore them 2 times in the Jumpman. It's one of those things where I got them like, ooh, Black Cats. And I wore them 2 times. I got too many shoes, bro.
Hit the lights and hit the right. Took everything, ain't nothing left. Count your blessings, count your stars. At your throat like we that struck. It's way too cold, I need this flesh. Oh, we ball, but we don't mess. Oh, we drink, we want some mess.
Oh, you got these and these, okay. Yeah, small size. I just wanted to see them. I haven't seen them in person. I haven't seen these either. They keep playing around with the dates. Y'all seen this box right here, right? I am a little bit more interested. Ooh, and it's the dark blue joints. This was the one I wanted. Y'all see right here, blam. We got them Nego Air Force 3s. Now this is 7.5 right here. Not my size, okay? This is 7.5, all right? Small foot gang, y'all can chime in on this one. This is the colorway I wanted. In my opinion, this one is definitely the best colorway out of the 2. Some of y'all was kind of slandering and hating when I was talking about these, but these, yes, these joints hit. And eventually, I will lock down a pair of these joints for sure. I know y'all seen these, and we keep seeing the date pushed back. They dropping, they not dropping. They delay till 2025. I think officially now it's 2025. Right, so I know these have been hitting boutiques. I know some boutiques are running, I seen some boutiques running raffles or anything 2 for these already, but it does seem like they are officially gonna be dropping next year. That's the official tissue date. Now it could change again. It's been a lot going on with these black toes, but y'all let me know what y'all feeling about these. These not bad, they're not bad. I still got my old pair of black toes, so I'm probably gonna try to get a pair for y'all to do a review, but other than that, I'm not super pressed for these. And then last but not least, they also got these. A little early look for y'all. Okay, we got another early thing. It ain't these, but I wanted to make sure I got these on camera for y'all. Fear 4s. I didn't even know they came with this little piece over the tongue. Little piece over the tongue on these joints. I definitely think that these Fear 4s is gonna do better than the Fear 3s. I think the 4 is just more popular. I think this black, gray, and white is more simple. And, well, it's another one, all right? Just go ahead and stack them in the back. There you go. And it's a there you go, blam. Y'all see them all right here. The Colombianas, AKA Legend Blues. I didn't even know it was gonna be like this, but there you go. I'm gonna just window shop. This is a flex, because none of this is mine, all right? None of this is mine, but we're gonna go ahead and take the picture right there, Blaine. Y'all see them? Columbia's, Legend Blues, Fear 4s, got these as well, all that, okay? So y'all seen it. I told y'all we're gonna have an early look today. We still got another early look, but there's one quick one during the vid. All right, so I only got but so much time today, but since I've been here, they have updated. So y'all seen the B-roll of all of these racks. The whole new like vintage section is not just a circle. You got vintage all up on the walls, the skateboard wall, shoes. If I had more time today, listen, I would spend more time, but I just don't, okay? But I will say that we started with what, 6 tees today. We had these 3. The large, this one is out of here. So we had 6, we're left with 2. That's good. And for right now, we are gonna keep these joints. More than likely, they are gonna hit the bodega. We still got one more spot to hit, and we don't have but so much time, so give me a second. All right, y'all, and we are back. I ain't gonna lie, I literally just drove right past the spot. I actually went to locker room real quick. I thought it was down there in Granby. It's literally right here. We was literally down the street right there 2 seconds ago. So I went a little bit further than where I thought I needed to go. But the next spot is, make sure I don't get hit by a car. The next spot is Low Key V8, which is another new spot. We got like 5 to 6 spots out here in the 757 right now, and I think we got more on the way. But yes, as y'all see, Low Key V8, I'm heading here. And like I said, this one's on Granby. It's like 3 spots on Granby. You got Exchange, Low Key, Locker Room, and then not even 10 minutes down the road, you got the lot. So let's head in.
Finna drown in them, dawg, finna drown in them. Last altercation got 100 rounds in them. All my spots got a lot of bloodhounds in them. Ain't no furniture, it's just a lot of pounds in them. Perk soft hard, and I got the brown in them. What the bomber clock shutter, we don't ramp in them.
And we are back in the stew. Listen, come here. Get a little bit closer, okay? You didn't think I was done, did you? I mean, come on, bro, come on. I told y'all we still had that early heat and of course, more pickups. As always, I gotta remind you again, listen, make sure you drop that like on this vid, sub if you haven't already, and finesse the bell as well. We have to please the algorithm gods. And listen, I apologize for the abrupt cut to back in the studio, but the footage that I had from inside of Low Key VA, the audio was wonky on that joint. So I'll throw it up on the screen right now so y'all see that actually did happen. It's just the audio was weird. Anyways, after doing all of that running around, what did we come back with? We still had these Black Cat 4s, and like I said, I guess the bodegas where they'll go. Very, very, very clean pair, and it's time to say goodbye, okay? And we also had these last 2 tees, and I guess I'll just have to either save them for whatnot or maybe throw them on eBay or throw these up on a bodega, who knows? Or listen, if you're looking for either one of these, hit me on the IG, bro. Now, I guess I got a little bit of deleted scenes too because I did stop by the homies over at Locker Room in Norfolk. I didn't get a lot of footage of that, but I did get some B-roll. Stopped in there really quick, really just to say what's good, but I seen this joint right here. I'm a sucker for a good Stone Cold like wrestling tee, so I might have to pause that either way. Yeah, pause just in case. But this one was like size XL to XX. Y'all can see that big front hit on it, Stone Cold Texas Rattlesnake. There is nothing on the back. Now this is more of like a t-shirt jersey. It's a little bit heavier and it does have the 3/4 sleeve. So I did go ahead and pick this one up. Was not planning on this joint at all, but I seen it and was like, yeah, I'm a cop that. Now for this next one, I gotta say salute to my man Hasib. Now a lot of people asked me after I talked about these CPFM Nike jerseys, did I cop? I'm gonna tell y'all the sad true story. I had all 4 jerseys in my cart on cactusplantfleamarket.com. I clicked checkout, was good. It actually went through and my bank hit me and said, yo, yeah, nah, Cactus Flea, nah, that's fraud. And of course, by the time I caught it, it was too late. So for right now, I am gonna try to get all 4 pieces, but I'm slowly getting them. I did manage to grab the polo as well. And I will say that these things fit big. I would go down 1 size. If you get your true size, they're gonna fit really big. Salute to Hasib. He posted this in the Finesse Gang Discord. Yes, we do have a Discord. And listen, I was on that joint ASAP Rockington. So yes, really appreciate the oop on this crazy, crazy goalie jersey. First things first, let's get into this box right here, just to let y'all know that today, it's really quality over quantity. We got some heaters on deck. I managed to snag these joints right here straight up from the EQL raffle. I have not won anything on EQL in a little while, but I really can't complain because some people that really have not hit in a while, like worse than sneakers. So I'm not gonna complain, but I did manage to grab these, snag these for retail, and this was an SB. I was definitely trying to track down, and I mean, once y'all see it, y'all already gonna know what it is. The Verdi SBs, okay? And these also come with like this huge keychain, Nike SB Verdi on the back of this. And this shoe is crazy. When am I gonna wear these? I don't know, but more than likely y'all will see these in the background. Crazy SBs like this are almost like art pieces, but these are gonna be my diet baby bears right here because I did buy a pair of baby bears at one point. I bought them like a size too small and unfortunately they were fake and I had to take them back. But you know, it is what it is. That was a long time ago. Blam, there y'all go, a quick little side by side, and these do come with some extra laces as well. Definitely not for everybody, but I got lucky, hit on that raffle, and listen, I got mine. Now for this next box, I ain't gonna lie, I did open this one up because I wanted to see these in hand in person. And this pickup honestly might surprise y'all because y'all know how much shit I be talking about Crocs, but this pair was different, okay? Y'all see the top of the box, okay, Bodega, and of course the Crocs mascot. And I did go ahead and pick these up in a size 11. In my opinion, Crocs usually run like a full size big, but this is like a utility pair of Crocs. Yeah, these is different. You got this all over like Cordura sheath on top of this joint. You got a little pocket too. And inside of here, inside this bag is actually like a strap with some clips. So if you wanted to like strap these or clip these onto your bag or wherever you're hiking, then you can use that. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, these ain't gonna really get hiked in. I don't know where I'm gonna start. I don't know where to go to hike, but I do know that these is gonna look very nice with some sweats, okay? I really did like the mix of colors on these, and then on the inside too. Underneath the strap, it says hidden in plain sight. And y'all can see it kind of peeking through the bottom. You can't unsnap this right here. Hold on, I'm unsnap it before you snap. And this whole top comes off of these joints. Y'all can see the real tree underneath. Another one that definitely ain't gonna be for everybody, but I wanted to try something a little different. Now this next one, listen, salutes to the guys at Soul Play, okay? Salutes to my bro Tony. Listen, when I take these out this box, y'all will understand. Bro, if I can get the goddamn shoes out, bro, this joint is stuck. Oh, nope, saved them. Now, as soon as I take the bag off of these, y'all might know kind of what's going on, okay? Penny 1 cent logo on the top. Y'all see the side that says Nike. Listen, I still want my Eddie Gordo pair, but I'll definitely take a pair of these. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just put these on the table. I'm gonna probably have to zoom this in, but yes, sir. Let me take the strap off real quick. Hey, pause. Crazy pause on that. Now I know that the Gen foam posits are on the way, but these Kazuyas, in my opinion, the Kazuya is the best. I mean, look at the details on these. The Penny 1 cent logo on the back, the outsoles on these go crazy as well, and all that earthquake pattern, that's all reflective. Truly an insane pair of foams right here. Y'all can see also that carbon fiber plate. It has a weird look to it. It almost looks like some flooring or something. I don't know. Y'all get it though. Y'all see it. I mean, what more do I need to say? All I gotta do is put them like this and just turn them, and they speak for themselves. Oh, and listen, we not done. Now for these next two, technically I got 3 pairs of these, all right? Because of course, Cyrus and Kyra always hit and I never hit, but this time that changed. Now, as soon as these come out the box, you should already know what time it is. And like I said before, Cairo and Cyrus both got pairs, so it's kind of like a family affair with these joints. I still need to get Anna a pair of these in some colors so she can match us. I know, I'm lacking. Y'all should already know in my true size 12, yes, take the top off. Y'all see the pink paper. Flip them open, yes. Another pair of Travs to add to the stack. The medium olive Travs are in the studio, and I went ahead and just tossed these extra pink laces in the shoe as well. I know y'all have heard so much already about this shoe, but listen, let me just celebrate a retail dub on some Travs, okay? Now, I do have a list video on the way, and this shoe is gonna it's gonna be for the big ballers out there. I always ask for some expensive ass shoes on the list, so I'm gonna have something for y'all, and of course some more affordable options too, but we'll get to that when we get to it. Just know, the medium olives, the Travs, they have touchdown in the stew. Let's get into this early heat. Now with this one, I didn't plan it to be like this, but y'all are gonna be seeing double a little bit, but we gonna get the better look at them right here inside the stew with the studio lights, okay? Now let me go ahead and take the box out the box. Anything else in there? Nope, don't need it. Air Jordan on the top of the box. Yes, my size 12. And let's go ahead and get into them, because these joints, these is nice. Dropping sometime in December. We got the, again, Colombians, like I said, Legend Blue 11s. These joints is so bright, bro. I'm gonna have to turn my camera down. There you go. Now y'all can actually see the shoe without it being blasted out. Yo, the bottoms on these is super nice. And just them dropping these again, because I don't think these have dropped since sometime between 2012 and 2014, I think. And of course, these have that higher patent leather cut like the OGs. Y'all can let me know what y'all think about these again. Jumpman Jordan right there. Let me go ahead and grab the other shoe as well. I mean, these joints is just kind of gleaming in here right now. Now, they did go ahead and up the price on these joints. The retail is gonna be $230, I believe, this year. Y'all can see the bottom again. The carbon fiber plate on the bottom. Listen, my first opinions is that these is clean, but they are all white. More of a spring, summer colorway in my opinion, but I don't think they're gonna drop these in the middle of June or July. And if they are gonna drop some Columbias or Legend Blues, it's gonna be a pair of low tops. I'm definitely not mad at these at all, coming back in 2024, and really they are exactly as I expected. I'm not blown away. It's just a really clean, classic OG colorway of these. And in my opinion, as far as like OG colorways go, it is a more unique one versus like a Bread or a Concord white and black or black and red. This random Columbia blue hit, that UNC blue, always made this specific pair recognizable. I'm not saying saying the others aren't. I'm just saying the blue was just a little, you know, a little different. Of course, that review will be on the way on these, but y'all let me know, are y'all looking forward to these joints? December 2024, it's a lot going on holiday season. Y'all saw all the other joints on the way. It's time for me to go ahead, jump right there and start editing. Listen, make sure you drop a like on this vid, sub if you haven't already, and finesse the bell as well. Remember, new sample drop this Saturday the 19th, 10 a.m. EST. Hey, listen, that's all I got to say. I hope y'all enjoyed this banger of a vid. Much love. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.